Woke up to this morning. They were all out wandering around my bedroom, so I'll have to modify their box so that they can come and go much more easily, and also I'll create a little pen here just to keep them away from the door, because to make sure that they don't get trapped behind there. So I'll show you me doing that today. There we go. So now they're safely contained. They've got a good exercise area outside the pen, and they can come and go as they please. So I've cut the front of the box out. This means that they can have easy access to go back into the box if they want, or to come out as they see fit without having to try and climb out and back in again. But having this extra room means that they'll be able to exercise more and gain strength. I will watch how they manage on this, on the puppy pads, because at the moment, while they're not particularly strong walking, they might just need something down, like a fleece or something, just to give them a little bit extra grip to help them. But at the moment they seem all right, but we'll just see how it goes.